pa nga ako nakaka-move on sa concert eh, tapos may ganito na agad. It's a new era, and I know it's gonna be wild. Bakit ka nakahubad? Ay, naguguluhan ako. Hi guys, it's Ja, and welcome back to my channel. So today is May 28th, and it's been exactly 10 months since the last time that I took a reaction video because it's been 10 months nung naglast na comeback yung Treasure, which is with Bona Bona. Tagal na. Hindi naman natin naramdaman na nagpahinga rin yung boys because they've been touring around, they're having fan meeting in Japan, they're releasing merch, so they've been endorsing a lot of stuff, and guys, aminin nyo, nabudol kayo. So within those 10 months, they started their Asia tour as well, and nag-start siya dito sa Manila. So mag-iisang buwan na since the last time that I've seen them live, or we've seen them live here in Manila, and sobrang nalulumbay na ako kasi nakita ko yung fan project sa Thailand, sobrang ganda, parang gusto ko ma-experience din yun. Parang next year, baka naman, sana mapagbigyan. And since namimiss na natin yung boys, today is the perfect timing. Today is the best day. Bakit? Kasi they are coming back with this song, King Kong. I therefore conclude na sobrang ganda ng kantang yan. Like, kasi King Kong eh, di ba? King Kong is very strong. So, Treasure would really come back with this wild, hindi. I always have this love-hate relationship with YG. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, because we all know na sobrang messed up nung timelines nila with their artists kasi nagsasabay-sabay yung mga releases. Like, imagine, in between tour, biglang nag-comeback yung boys. Somehow, they're trying to level up, I guess, yung marketing strategy nila with this comeback because they're trying to really endorse Treasure in the local market or in the Korean market. Treasure is really everywhere right now in Korea. Like, yung posters nila for this comeback, it would really make people curious. Like, ano to? Bakit may QR code? Bakit ganyan? Bakit ganito? Bakit King Kong is here? Ano daw? I feel like this song would have more of English lyrics. Di ko alam, kasi the composers, the lyricists, or the songwriters, akala ko nga eh, si Daniel Caesar, doon akala ko si Best Part. Uy, bakit Best Part yung pangalan niya? Hindi pa nga ako nakaka-move on sa concert eh, tapos may ganito na agad. Tapos feeling ko lang naman as a feeling ko pa, parang may continuation siya with Jikjin. Kasi diba with Jikjin, parang may cars and all. And with the teaser of King Kong, parang ganun. We had this full reboot from the last album that they released. With this teaser, bakit nakahubad si Jihoon? Hindi naman sa nagreklamo ko, pero bakit? So, ang dami ng theory na nangyayari. Like, si Asahi ba? Siya ba yung master of all? Si Jongwoo ba? Magiging King Kong din? Si, ano ba? Ang daming nangyayari. This comeback would really open a lot of doors. Kasi, finally, they're guessing in it's live. And we know how good they are when they're doing lives. It's a new era, and I know it's gonna be wild with Treasure's newest music video, King Kong. So are you guys ready to watch Treasure's King Kong music video? I'm very excited, so tara, let's go. King Kong. Skull. Ano to, ngipin? O A. Asahi ba yung center? Oh no! Duyong! Kim Jong-kyuk. Jaehyuk. Wait! Bakit parang... Ay, ang gwapo ni Yoshi. Jongwon. Oh my god! Ah! Ano to? Oh! Alam niyo, yung blue. Let's go, Jongwoo. Ah! Bakit ka nakahubad? Hindi mo kami madadaan sa ganyan. Oh my god! Si... Oh! Oh, ang ganda! Ha. Ito yun. Oh my God, Yoshi! Alam mo, lagi talaga ako nasusurprise kay Yoshi. Let's go, Seven Chill! Ang gwapo niya to. Let's go. Yun hayo. Never talaga Grabe. Ayan o! Si Jihoon nga yun! Some point, akala natin si Yoshi yun eh. My God, Uyong! Hala, asa... Jongwoo! Oh my God, Jongwon! Yan truck sa likod, parang yan yung sa volcano. Oh my God. Oh my God, dance break! Ah! Let's go, Jongwon! Uy! Wait! Naka-mesh? Hoy! Hoy! Uy! Move it, rock your body. Tama. Oh! Jihoon! I can Kong! Oh my God. Oh my God. Teka. Nagugulimanan ako. Parang, ang bilis. Ang dami nangyari. Grabe. This song has a lot of potential. Ay! Wait lang. Nakamash pa si Jongwon dun? Oo. Teka lang. Ay, naguguluhan ako. If you remember yung concert, diba parang meron dun na nasa science lab sila? Ganyan. Tapos si Jihoon may mga eme-eme. Parang may something na nag-combine. Parang ganito. Ito yun. Alam mo, grabe. Isa pa. Okay, King Kong. I thought it's Asahi. Doyong pala. Girl, you're so fire. Yes, you're the king. Gonna shake the ground, gonna break it down. Let's go, Jongwoo! Alam mo, Jihoon. Di ko na alam. Di ko alam ang gagawin ko sa'yo. Sinong pa dun? My heart is like King Kong. Hyun Hayo will never disappoint us with their rap part. I swear. Grabe. Grabe, Doyoung is a revelation in this music video. Asa, ay! Jong! O, diba? Yung ganun nga. Grabe, Jongwon. Oo nga. Oo nga. Gwapo. Ang gwapo. Oh, baby ko yan. Ay. Let's go, Jongwoo. Let's go, Center Jihoon. Oh. Jongwon, let's go. Oh, go, Jaehoon! The speechless. I just love how Doyoung and Jaehyuk got those lines. They deserve it, di ba? Wait, sorry. Nagpa-pop yung part ni Jiho na yung abs, tapos biglang ginanon. Sumum dun, nag-zoom dun. Parang, ang goal niyo po ba ay baluin kami? In this music video, I really can't say kung kanino ako nag-focus. Because everyone got their own spotlight. Like, everyone was able to showcase their charm and their own parts. And I just love it overall. As in, like, the music video itself, it has this impact. The cinematography is really great. And this song would definitely shake the ground. I just hope that they would get what they deserve in this comeback. Sobrang ganda. Grabe si Jongwon tsaka si Jihoon, no? They're really confident with their body. If I would have those abs, I'll flaunt it as well. So, go guys. Ipagmalaki nyo yan. Just wanna comment as well, Yunhayo, the rap line, would never disappoint us. Sobrang ganda na naman ng flow. Since Sunsuk was the one who directed the recording itself, he wrote the lyrics as well with Yoshi and then the other songwriters. He really knows his members well. Like, he was able to give those best parts to those members, and those members prove themselves talaga. They were able to maximize their ability. Sobrang galing. Ang nakaka-amaze eh. They always go above and beyond our expectations. Let's give them wins. Let's make them number one. And mag-strip tayo parang awa. Ipalaganap natin ang King Kong. Uy, ipalaganap natin tong music video na to because everyone really deserves to see this masterpiece. Guy, sobrang ganda talaga. Ulitin ko pa to. Pero kailangan natin mag-stream properly, okay? Given na gusto ko yung part na kita yung abs ni Jihoon. Pero there's a lot of things talaga that I really can't focus on kasi sobrang ganda. Like, huy, puro ganon. With Treasure, everything is really worth it. Like, the wait is worth it. They just really deserve more. They deserve a win. They deserve to be number one. They deserve to be recognized. Deserve nilang maipagmalaki, guys. I hope that you liked this reaction video kahit sobrang gulo ng utak ko. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below kung anong favorite part nyo sa King Kong music video, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Like King Kong! Bye!